Welcome back, learners, to the video session of course Supply Chain Management 306. So, students, in this video module, we have to understand the definition of supply chain management again in the repetitive manner, and we also understand the main objective of SCM or supply chain management with the perspective to increase the value of the company. So starting with the definition according to the author Copper and Ilaram, supply chain management is an integrative philosophy to manage the total flow of distribution channel from the supplier to the ultimate user. As we discussed in previous video session in the part of introduction of supply chain management, that supply chain management is nothing but a quality process. We also understand the meaning of three letters SCM, where S stand from quality supply, quality chain and quality management for any manufacturing company who produces their own product up to the end consumer. So the ultimate goal of that organization is to satisfy the end consumer with proper supply chain management. So it is all about the definition. Moving forward, we'll discuss in this video module the objectives of SCM. So starting with the very first objective of supply chain management is service orientation. That is nothing but service to the customer. So students, to understand all this objective, I just convey you, I just want to tell you a basic example. हम एक ऐसा एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं जो आपको समझने के लिए बहुत इजी है. ई कॉमर्स के दुनिया में वो नंबर वन वेबसाइट है, इज नथिंग बट www.amazon.com, which will cover all these point. We correlate all these point to the objective of supply chain. तो हमने अभी तक कभी ना कभी उस वेबसाइट से कुछ परचेसिंग किया है. द वेरी बेसिक ऑफ सप्लाई चेन हैज बीन टू प्रोवाइड सुपीरियर कस्टमर सर्विस. Service is all about the value that the customer gets, which in the turns depend upon his own perception about what constitutes the value. See, with this then we have to understand that हमें दो प्रोडक्ट या फिर किसी एक सिंगल प्रोडक्ट को परचेस करना है, हम हमेशा सर्विस के बारे में सोचते हैं कि अगर मैंने सेम प्रोडक्ट को अमेजोन से परचेस किया तो 3 दिन में आएगा, फ्लिपकार्ट से परचेस किया तो 4 दिन लगते हैं. सो देयर इज अ परसेप्शन इन आवर माइंड दैट विच कंपनी ऑफ ई कॉमर्स गिव अ क्वालिटी सर्विस इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ सप्लाई चेन. सो उसे सोचते हुए वी विल क्रिएट द वैल्यू, वी विल क्रिएट आवर परसेप्शन. सो इट इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट. और हमें जब ऐसा लगता है कि दैट अमेजॉन विल गिव दैट प्रोडक्ट इन मिनिमम टाइम with quality service, we go for Amazon. So everybody want to improve their service orientation, so it is the main objective of SCM. Then the next one is system orientation. System orientation is at the core of existence of any supply chain. Synergy due to cooperation and coordination is the main gain of supply chain. See friends, again we come to the same point of Amazon. Many of the time some of the supply chain is not available in some of the cities because of lack of distribution or lack of connectivity. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम जिस गांव में, जिस एरिया में रहते हैं, जिस प्लेस पे रहते हैं, वहां पे फ्लिपकार्ट जैसी कोई कंपनी ले लो कि जिसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल वीक है, वहां तक नहीं आता है. सो वी फोकस ऑन दैट कंपनी whose system is very strong in the area of supply chain with the policy of cooperation coordination. हो सकता है कि थर्ड पार्टी की हेल्प लेके अमेजॉन जैसी कोई कंपनी है किसी भी एरिया में अपने प्रोडक्ट को डिलीवर करती है. सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन सिस्टम ओरिएंटेशन, right? So service orientation and system orientation are mutually related to each other. If your system is strong in the area of supply chain by using the cooperation and coordination with quality gain of supply, then your customer database is strong. Then the next one is competitiveness and efficiency. Competitiveness is essential for an organization supply chain to healthy sustain itself in order to be able to provide increasing value to its customer. Efficiency is an important element of competitiveness. So obviously, again we go for the example of Flipkart and Amazon. Your competitor and your own distribution system have to always improve, have to make a strong connectivity to the market. So it will help you to understand that how it can be order or how you can provide a quality service to increasing the customer to your portal. So again we come go for the two website Amazon and Flipkart. हमारे दिमाग में वही वेबसाइट सबसे पहले आएगी जिसका सर्विस क्वालिटी कोऑर्डिनेशन हो और जो वैल्यू ऑफ डिलीवरी है वो अच्छी हो. So everybody have to focus on the competitiveness and efficiency about their companies. Then the next one is minimizing the time. Efficient supply chain is an organization reduces the time required for the converting orders into cash. So there is a minimal time lag and increase in productivity of the organization. कोई manufacturing company है उसका supply chain अगर weak है, so many of the time payment issue are there. If they are failed to deliver the product with minimum time or with quality service, many of the time lag is very important. So to increase the productivity, it is also important to increase the connectivity in the world of supply chain management. Then the next one is minimizing work in progress. Supply chain minimizes total work in process in supply chain. See this line is many of the time you confused about the line that progress and process. See, every progress is depend upon the process of supply chain. So if your supply chain process is strong, your work progress is always minimizing and it will help you to increase the customer connectivity. Then the next one is improving visibility to demand. See, efficient supply chain improve visibility of demand by each one of the partners. Many of the time manufacturing company having their third party distribution system, third party logistics. So if you make a quality service pro forma, we just take the example again, take the example of Amazon. आपने एक ऑर्डर प्लेस की है और आपका शिपमेंट का पूरा स्टेटस आपको ऑनलाइन कभी भी दिख रहा है, so it will increase the demand of Amazon automatically because the transparency, the visibility of your service is directly connected to the customer. It will affect the demand of uh, the product or the company which will provide in the supply chain area. And last but not the least, improving quality. Efficient supply chain helps in improving the quality of operation of the organization. Again, I repeat in the previous video module that the supply chain management system or the supply chain management procedure come again and again to make a quality strong, deliverable and easy work for all the distributor, wholesaler, retailer up to end consumer. So overall, we understand that the main objectives of SCM in a very short term, we have to understand that SCM plays a very vital role to the customer connectivity. As we say that SCM will help you to provide a quality service to the right person at right place at right time with the right supply chain connectivity, which will help you to increase the system pro forma of any organization. So this is all about the objective of SCM. In upcoming video module, we will continue with the next element of this course. Up to then, thank you.